Hi everyone, this is a video about this LED light, battery operated LED light, Melinera from Lidl. Is fantastic deal, just under £3, 2.99, and this LED string light has 3 years of warranty, 20 LEDs, and the length of this is 2.4 meter, and the batteries are included. Sometimes I really wonder how they can manage these low prices, but it's a fantastic deal. I recommend this item to everyone. And what is so special about this item is it has a timer. So I get everything out of the box and we talk more. So this is everything that it comes in the box. I show you the box itself for you to just pause and have a look at it if you wish. And these are the specifications and nothing else anywhere else. So as with Lidl, always it comes with a substantial booklet about health and safety and all of those, and 1 or 2 pages about how to operate this item. So it's really thick. Have a look at it. We put this aside with 2 alkaline Maxwell batteries. Very good. And the item itself, this is the battery compartment with the on or off button, and on one side is off, on the other side is always on, and on the middle it has a timer that is 6 hours on and the rest of the time off, and it's really good. And the power consumption, I checked it, is not really bad. As usual, the health and safety attachment to any electrical cable with Lidl, so you can just get rid of them. And this one is the Amber one. It comes in the cool white, amber and yellow colors, and it's really good for the price. I put the batteries in and I get rid of all of these, and we talk more and I show you how it looks like. Before I throw these away, this is just about the health and safety. Don't put it in water, and it's designed for indoor, not outdoor. And on the other one, it just says the battery consumption of this is 20 LEDs times 0.06 watts and 2 times 1.5 volt battery DCs, and that's really it. Nothing more in here. It's very sticky as well. So the way to get the battery inside is just open it by pressing it up, pushing it up and putting the batteries in as normal, and then put the lid on and turning it on. This is the timer in the middle, and the other side is the 24/7 on, and it says it takes fully, when you put it on, it takes 30 hours for the battery to be fully depleted, and otherwise when you put it on timer it lasts for 5 days, as it only is on for 6 hours. So it's not really bright. Let me turn this light off and show you how bright it is. But Still, we can see the amber light there. This is very hackable. You can use this for any other projects that you want. You can change the LEDs if you wish. And that's the reason that I bought it. And apart from that, this one was a fantastic deal. All of this with battery, with a timer, with 20 LEDs and the cable and the packaging and this thick booklet, all of this for $2.99. Anyway, by all means, I'm going to recommend this item that the festive season is coming, and you can use this on your Christmas lighting and so on, but definitely not outside. Anyhow, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.